Hello friends, good morning. Today I am going to discuss about stock landed cost currency, which is a free module available in OCA library. So whenever you are receiving any consignment, you are going to register a landed cost. So over here, with this module, you will be able to define currency other than your main company currency. Here my main company currency is Indian rupees. Okay, so you can see cost in company currency. And now if you wish to create a new landed cost based on your received transfer and you select any other currency, you will be able to do. Here if you say it's 5, so according to the latest currency conversion, you will be able to fetch other currency and its conversion in Indian rupees. That's my base currency, and divide into the quantity base method. So once you validate, you have to set an account, and once you validate, it will pass a landed cost based on your company currency. And here in your ledger, you will be able to see the effect. So you can see here in company currency, and then you will be able to see when you register a vendor bill, you will be able to find the relevancy in terms of US dollar also. So that's how now you can apply the landed cost in the different currency also. So here I have registered two landed cost. One is USD, another one is Euro, and then connected my vendor bill also. So based on the accounting and currencies, you will be able to register landed cost in different currencies. Hope this will help many accountant and many warehousing people. Thank you.